Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to remove dual app in Samsung step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Samsung phone and open the apps drawer. Here, you'll see all your installed apps, including the dual apps you've set up. Step 2. Scroll through the menu and locate the dual app you want to remove. Step 3. Now press and hold the dual app icon. A menu will appear with different options. Select the Uninstall option. Step 4. A confirmation prompt will pop up. Tap the Uninstall button, and the dual app will be removed immediately. If you want to remove the dual app using another method, follow these steps. Step 5. Open the Settings menu from your home screen or apps drawer. Step 6. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Advanced Features option, then tap on it. Step 7. Now scroll down and tap on Dual Messenger. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps that have dual versions enabled. Step 8. Find the app you want to remove, then simply tap the toggle switch next to it. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Uninstall to remove the dual app automatically. To verify that the dual app has been removed, go back to your home screen or apps drawer. You'll notice that the dual app is no longer there. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.